Hello and welcome back to my channel Ishika Jain. Welcome to a new episode. As you have read by the title, in this video I am going to be sharing with you all of my fall favorites. For people who don't know, fall is one of my favorite seasons. You can see all of my aesthetics are brown today. So yes, okay, I have divided this video into video chapters for you guys for your convenience. However, if you stay through the whole video, I love you guys. You are my real fans and it really means a lot to me. So let's dive right into the video. The first product is this one. It is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo with 6 precious oils and the same conditioner. You can literally see the conditioner. ये literally खत्म होने वाला है. So I don't need to tell more about L'Oreal. We all know L'Oreal is the best hair care brand out there. I have been using L'Oreal for a very long time and I really love their products. This is 340 ml and the color, can you see the color? It's like ochre yellow. So it fits right into the theme of fall. And yes, I love this product. This is the best hair care for dry and frizzy hair type, which is mine. If you have oily scalp, you can try out their different shampoos and conditioners that they have in the different variants. So yes, that's it. The second product is this. It is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow Lotion. Like seriously, do I need to speak about this? This is the best lotion in the market. It's again brown and trust me, this smells like chocolate. I literally love its smell, its fragrance. But if you are a sensitive skin girly, you might not like it. It provides really good hydration. Like अगर मैं ये सुबह लगा दूँ तो मुझे पूरे दिन में कभी लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So it really does what it says. It says long lasting moisturization and I really love this one. It is a 200 ml bottle which costed me around 200 rupees. The next one is this. Okay, so you might be wondering ये क्या है? It is a shacket. It's like shirt plus a jacket. So a shacket. I got this I think a year ago and I haven't worn it even once. Literally once. मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे इतना चिल्लाया इसके ऊपर कि ये लेके आती है तू पहनती नहीं है, क्या मतलब है तेरा लेके आने का. But I don't know, I saw this once more and I was like, I can wear it during fall. I mean, it's warm and cozy, so I really love it. I don't remember where did I get it from, so I'm sorry I cannot provide you with the links and everything, but you can, I think you can find it in Linking or Bandra Road. I love this one. The next one is this. It's a phone cover. I have been using one phone cover for the longest time I remember. So I needed to change one, and what perfect time than now. This is a dusty brown color. I actually wanted, a dark chocolatey brown color in the cover, but nahi mila mujhe. तो मैंने बोला जो मिल रहा है वही ले लेते हैं. This was for 150 rupees and I got it from a street store. You can get it anywhere. It's a hard silicone cover. Along with the cover, I got this. You know what I'm talking about. This is the sticky pod, you can say. It sticks to your phone cover and you can stick your phone to any metal surface or any flat surface and आप video निकाल सकते हो इससे. So really handy for me because I'm a content creator and I can literally record or film my videos anywhere, literally from anywhere. The next one is from makeup section. It is the Mars Glowzilla palette and Stays 929 2-in-1 liquid lipstick. I have talked about this in my YouTube shorts video. You can actually check it out there. But to say, I have used this highlighter and I'm going to review it. It is such a pigmented and glowy highlighter. Like you literally need the least amount of product and you're good to go. It has, okay, I'll open it for you, wait. It has 6 different shades. I love this brown and this champagne, even this one, like a grey ashy brown color. So definitely best highlighter in the market. So yes, and this is the lipstick that I'm talking about. I have worn this a couple of times now, and I can say I'm wearing it right now as well. You can see the color is nice. It's a perfect nude, you know, like a brown nude color. The gloss is also really nice. The lipstick is literally transfer proof. It means what it says. I can literally kiss you. You can see there's no transfer at all. So I really love that about this lipstick. And yes, I got this for like 300 rupees on sale from Nykaa. So you can check it out as well. The next product is actually something that I've come across. I was reading this book called Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. He's a Brazilian author, and this book is actually translated in English. You won't believe I completed this book today itself, and I love this book. Like, this is a story of a shepherd who goes out into the world to find out his treasure, which is, you know, like kept for him, his destiny as such. And he comes across so many obstacles and a lot of different people. So it's a really nice book. It teaches you about how you can actually, you know the purpose of your life and achieve your destiny. I really love this, and I'll recommend this to everyone. You have to read this once, at least once in your life. So yes, but before I end this video, I want to give you one song that I've been hearing on loop during this season, which is Art by Tyla. We all know Tyla is coming to India, by the way. She has a concert, but I really love her song Art. It is such a muse to listen to it. Like, it gives you that self-love energy, and I love the master. It's literally a masterpiece. I love the song. So Tyla, if you're watching me, I really love your songs. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's a short video. I'll try to make more long form content, but if you have kept with me through this, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.